Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. My name is Garrett from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, and happy Thanksgiving, at least to our friends in the South. It is American Thanksgiving. As you can see, I have my football here and Thanksgiving Day treats, very reminiscent of this time. And I've decided to choose a Saison. This one is from Bound Brewing. It is their Electro Tonic, a juniper Saison. You might ask, why did you pick this beer? Well, Thanksgiving is really giving thanks for what was originally the harvest season. So at the end of the summer and coming into fall time, and that's when you would harvest a lot of your produce, store it, and then use it and sort of give thanks for all the wonderful food that you have. With that being said, a Saison sort of takes on a similar story. Well, Saison is really French for season. Saisons became very, very popular as a style because it was a very utilitarian type of beer. A lot of the farm hands back in the early 1700s, roughly in around Wallonia, this is the French-speaking area of Belgium, would be manning the land in the summertime. But then in the wintertime, when there was less work to do, they would brew Saison. And it would be ideal for a number of things. And the first one being, back in the 1700s, you didn't have refrigeration. So it was good to brew the beer in the winter and in the cooler months, so then it would properly ferment and properly brew over those colder months, making it ready to drink for the summer months, which assisted twofold because the workers who were then making the beer also got to consume it during the summer and those hot days working in the fields. It was also a better product. Water back then wasn't always 100% clean, but if you were brewing beer to drink, it was much cleaner and better to consume. You might be thinking, okay, what if these guys are drinking beer and also working? They're probably gonna get hammered, but unfortunately, that was not the case for them because Saisons back in the day were typically a lot lower alcohol by volume than they are this day and age. So with that being said, this one's from Eastbound Brewing. We'll take a big old sip. Absolutely delicious. I'm a big fan of Saisons simply because they are pretty scarce. You don't find too many of them being brewed in Southern Ontario. This one is very, very, very good. It's a juniper Saison. So basically they're using a lot of botanicals that you might use in gin for also making this Saison. So a very unique style. If you ever have a chance to go pick up a Saison from your local craft brewery, highly recommend that you do so. You might be surprised in what you find. So I am Garrett. That is another edition of Beer of the Week. We'll see you guys next time. Craft beer is here. Cheers.